Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make an infused vinegar, but not just any kind of vinegar, but my homemade rice vinegar that I made the other day with rosemary. If you want to know how I make my homemade rice vinegar, you could check out my playlist on how I made that. I've been hearing a lot about homemade rice water, how a lot of people they've been trying it and experiment in using it in their hair, and I never did that before, but I did some research about the health benefit of rosemary, rice water, and vinegar, the health benefit, what it does to the hair. And I decided I want to try using it in my hair, but why not use my homemade vinegar that I made from scratch instead of using the one that I bought in the store. So I made a few notes about the health benefit of vinegar, rosemary, and rice water. With the vinegar, some of the health benefits is that it has for the hair. It helps keeps the pH of your hair, your scalp to 4.5 to 5.5. It helps removes residue off your hair, and it also helps the hair to be more shiny, and it also helps your hair to be softer. It also helps get rid of dandruff. And the rosemary, some of the health benefits that I saw was that it helps stimulate the circulation to the scalp. It helps the hair to feel soft and shiny. And it also helps remove residue. It helps reverse hair loss also. The rice water helps to detangle the hair, and it helps the hair to become soft. It also helps your hair to become stronger, and also soothe your scalp if you're suffering from having dry scalp. And with this, with the vinegar, I found out the most is that you have to dilute it with water. You cannot use a straight vinegar because you could damage your scalp and damage your hair if you use straight vinegar, because it has such high acid level. So most of the research that I've seen is that you have to use at least 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons per a bottle of water. Don't use more than that unless you have very long hair. When I say very long hair, it depends. My hair, I recently washed my hair, so my hair length is, when I stretch it out naturally with my hands, you can say it's about this level. So it's probably as long as my my shoulder. So I'm assuming for my hair length, maybe I just need no more than 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna try with 2 tablespoons. If that is too much for my hair length, then I'll try with 1 tablespoon. But don't go no more than 4 tablespoons if you have very long hair, longer than my shoulder, longer than shoulder length here, because too much of that, it can damage your hair and your scalp after a while. And they don't recommend you using this using vinegar in your hair no more than once a week or once a month, or some people use it twice a year. but I'm gonna try to use it once a week because I wash my hair every week. I try to wash my hair every week, and I think this will help me because let me give you a little history about my hair. Many years ago, I don't remember how many years ago, I decided to see if I could moisturize my hair without using any products in my hair, like the products that you normally get in the beauty supply store. So I did an experiment for 3 weeks of trying to build up my natural sebum in my hair by washing my hair once a week, and then every 2 days I would rinse my hair and rinse my hair every 2 days, and just run the water from my scalp area all the way down to the length of my hair, and see if I can help to increase the natural sebum that is in my hair and help it to go down to the length of my hair. Because back then I found out that people that have curly hair, the more curly their hair are, especially if they're 4C hair, the harder for the sebum to naturally go down to the full length of their hair. And if they want to do that, they have to help it along by doing that. So I did that for 3 weeks, and the first week was fine, but after the first week it started to get harder to do that. But I stick to it for 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks I noticed I started to feel the natural sebum on my hair when my hair is wet. I don't know how to explain it, but there's a natural, it feels, it doesn't really feel oily, but it kind of feel oily. It kind of feel like a little bit creamy. I don't know how to explain it, but there's a saying long time ago how black people or people of color don't have any sebum, so they need oil for their hair and stuff like that. But I found out with my experiment, you guys know I like to do experiment on my own. I don't like to just listen or to believe what certain people say. So I did it on my own, and I found out that it's not true. Black people or people of color do have produce their natural sebum. It's just that when their hair is so curly, it's harder for it to go down on their hair. So to make a long story short, so doing that, I stopped using products on my hair. I stopped buying those products in the health store. I mean, not in the health store, the beauty store. And I would just wash my hair once a week, and every 2 days or every 3 days I would just moisturize my hair with a little bit of water and comb and detangle my hair like that, and it was no problem to do that. And last year I tried a couple times putting some oil on my scalp, and I find out that my scalp doesn't like it. I started to break out in sores in my scalp, so I stopped doing that because I realized that since my hair producing so much sebum now, so much of it now, that I don't need to put oil in my hair. What my hair need is water. So anytime my hair get too dry, I would just use a little bit of water in my hair. And I find since I don't put any products in my hair, I don't get dandruff anymore. I don't get flakes and stuff like that like other people has. And my hair does not get smelly or anything like that. I think the smell, if a person have smelly hair, if they don't wash their hair. Is I think it's the products that they put in their hair along with their sweat that cause that, because ever since I stopped doing that, my hair does not have any smell or stuff like that. If I don't wash it every week, my scalp will just get a little bit itchy, and that telling me I have to go wash it. But that's what I've been doing now for years, and I keep it simple. But I make a goal like this year that I want to start taking better care of my hair, and maybe to put more natural stuff in my hair other than just washing it and just using water. Washing it with soap and just using water. I want to try other stuff, so that's one of the reasons. So I'm gonna use this bottle, and I have some dry rosemary that I got from my rosemary plant, one of my rosemary plants that I pruned I think 1 month ago. I removed most of the leaves from it. I'm just going to use the stem inside the bottle so that it'd be easier to remove it. So once I put the rosemary stem inside, I'm going to try to infuse it for 2 weeks, at least for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks I'm going to remove the stem and strain it if there's any leaves in there, and just use 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of this into 500 milliliter bottle, and use that in my hair once a week. So after I wash my hair with soap, I'm going to spray that solution in my hair. Spray that solution in my hair, and then after I do that, I'm going to rinse it out. I saw one video where this lady, she'd been using the rice water in her hair like every day. I don't know why she ever thought to do that. Her hair started to shed like crazy because she did that. With all of the research that I seen, there's no one ever put the rice water in their hair every day. I think that's a little bit too much. So she was the only person that I seen do that, and her hair started to shed like crazy. So I'm gonna put more rice vinegar to fill it at the top. I'm going to set it outside at a cool, dark area and let it infuse for at least for 2 weeks. And then after 2 weeks, I will start using it and see. But my sebum production increased so much that anytime my hair, after I wash my hair with I wet my hair, I can feel the feeling of it on my hair. So I know I don't need to put any oil on my hair. But if I put oil, I'm just gonna have to just put it on the hair end. I can't put it on my scalp, otherwise I'll break out in sores. So I just washed my hair recently, and I put them in these little twists. I like to keep stuff as simple as possible. I'm a very simple, strange person, and just like to enjoy life and to reduce any extra work as much as possible. But my goal this year is to try to take better care of my skin and my hair, because I'm not getting any younger. I'm not getting any younger. I'm actually 40 years old. I'm gonna turn 41 soon in April, believe it or not. So after you reach certain age, you realize that you're not getting any younger anymore and you should take better care of yourself. So that is my goal, to start doing that. So let me show you guys close up what my hair look like after I wash it with the soap and water. I didn't put no oil at all in my hair. I don't need any oil. I have natural sebum. So what they say that people of color, they don't produce sebum, that's not true. We all do. I think after a while of your body, after you stop putting products in your hair, for some reason the sebum level increase more. And I don't use strong shampoo with those chemicals that they say is not good for the hair. I don't use those kind of shampoo. So, and plus I don't use products to moisturize the hair and stuff like that. So with all of that, my natural sebum increased more. So that's why I don't need oil. I just need water. And I hope that all of these benefits that I research about, if my hair will get even more healthier. Other than that, if I just put water in my hair becomes very soft. So I want to see if it's going to get any softer. So it was nice talking with you guys. If you want to know how I make my homemade rice vinegar, just check out my playlist. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day.